Philly cheesesteak crown roll, guys. What is that? Well, I'm gonna show you. Let's start by building up our Philly cheesesteak. So I've got some flank steak here that I just chopped up. Beautiful flank steak, nice and red and fresh. I'm gonna just season that up with some of my house seasoning blend, whatever kind of flavors you like. And then let's hit it with some Worcestershire sauce. I've got my grilled bell peppers and onions. Got what is a Philly cheesesteak without those veggies? Beautiful color. Let's hit it with some olive oil and saute all of this together. All those flavors are gonna cook together and just make each other super happy. So let's just mix all of these together, let them continue to grill on my plancha here for a second. Now we've got the nice color that we want. That steak is cooked, it's still super tender. Let's head on over and build our roll, our crown roll. So I'm gonna start off with some pizza dough here. And I'm gonna start building it with my cheeses. I've got some cheddar and some provolone, and I'm just gonna lay these out in a nice little pattern here across my pizza dough, and then come through the center with that hot Philly cheesesteak combo. Let's just lay it right on top of that cheese, get it nice and melty. It's all coming together now. Spread that out, and then let's just go ahead and hit it with some more cheese. Why not? I've got some shredded jack here. Spread that all across the top of our meat. We've got triple cheese going on. Now let's start rolling this baby together. Just sort of start at the sides and work your way in. It will do most of the work for you once you get to that halfway point. So just get those ends rolled and then keep going. All right, now I'm just gonna use my scissors here and make these little diamond cuts, just forming a little bit of a pattern here across the top of your dough. And then separate the sides, one on each side, and it's gonna give us sort of that crown shape that we're looking for. Then we're just gonna take each end and bring them toward one another to form a circle. Form as best of a circle as you can here. Get that nice and tight, and then with two spatulas, I'm just gonna transfer this onto a baking sheet so we can bake this off in the oven and get that nice and crispy and toasty. First, I'm gonna brush it with a little bit of egg wash. It's gonna make it have that beautiful, shiny, golden color. So let's go into the oven with this. All right, fresh out of the oven, I've got some delicious cheese sauce here that I made up. Put a little hot sauce, some cilantro on top. Let's go in and see what we have here with these Philly cheesesteak rings. Look at that cheese. So good. We got the peppers, the steak, that delicious pastry there. Let's go in for this bite. Get a little more cheese on there.